is your last name? Churchill is. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a simple song that's going to teach young children their name, their age, their gender, how to spell their name using this very easy song. This is the Brown Bear Book Club, and this is a Teaching Made Easy episode. So if you enjoy tools and tips for young children, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Otherwise, let's head straight to the classroom. All right, so I'm gonna sing a couple of different variations. So one option is gonna be just their first name, and then I'm gonna show you how you can plug in their last name. And so here it goes. Here's the first way you can sing it. So, there is a boy who's 3 years old, and Javen is his name. J-A-V-I-N, 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 and Javen is his name. Now, if you want to go ahead and plug in Javen is your first name, Javen is your first name, Javen is your first name, and Javen is your first name. And then you would do the same thing with their last name. So Churchill is your last name, and so on. And you can even do it if you only have like one child that you're focusing in on. You can encourage them to say, Javen is my first name and Javen is my last name. So that's just a simple way, and obviously you would plug in their ages, whether they're 3, they're 4, they're 5, they're 2, or maybe they're even a 6-month-old. You can just start singing it just so they can get used to that language, but that is a name song. So go ahead, if you haven't already, to hit that notification bell, because you don't want to miss the next episode in which I show you some very simple techniques for names, for how to teach young children how to write their name, how to build their name, and how you can implement things in your everyday home and classroom setting to teach young children their names. See you again, guys, next time. Thanks for watching.